Do you ever wish you had something to soothe your muscles when you're out and about? We've got the perfect roll-on recipe for you. From making this recipe, you'll go from being super sore and stiff in public to having the perfect relieving solution. Hey guys, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. It's time to turn off all distractions because making is healing, and let's get started making this recipe. Here is what you will need. To make this recipe, I'm using the October Simply Earth recipe box. So you'll need your recipe card. Your recipe card is telling you that you are going to use bergamot, relief, and cajeput for this recipe. You're also going to want to grab your fractionated coconut oil and also a roll-on from your bonus box. First things first, you're going to want to pop off your top from your roll-on bottle. All right, now that I got that off, I went ahead and grabbed my funnel. These are super, super handy to have. All right, so you're going to grab your cajeput and put 3 drops in. You're gonna grab your relief and also put 3 drops of that guy. This essential oil blend is amazing for sore muscles. And last but not least, your bergamot. Bergamot smells amazing and is also really good for sore muscles. And I'm gonna fill it the rest of the way with the fractionated coconut oil. Now that we have the fractionated coconut oil inside of our roll-on, we are gonna swirl it a little bit. We're gonna grab our Mover Soother sticker so that we know what recipe we just made. We're gonna label it, and then it's ready to go. You guys can make this recipe too. Let's test it out. To use, apply to the affected area. Just for extra precaution, rub it in a little bit and let the essential oils do their magic. The Simply Earth recipe box made it so easy to make this recipe. You guys, this took me only 2 minutes to make. Don't forget to take pictures of all your recipes so that I can see them on social media. Use the hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. You guys are gonna become essential oil masters in no time. You'll love being able to use essential oils with confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching.